All right, guys. So I am super excited about this one. We are in a different spot, as you can tell, sitting on my bed. And what are we going to be looking at? Some Utopia bedding. So this is their pillow set. We need some new pillows for our bed, and it comes in a 2-pack. So super excited. It's their premium bed pillows. It has the cotton blend cover fabric with 100% polyester filling. So that matters because we need to make sure that our pillows don't give us any allergies, because we do have some of those. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up, see what we're working with here. It says allow 24 to 48 hours for these guys to open up all the way. Yes, this has 2 of them in it. This little box here has 2 pillows floating in it. So we're going to get this a big old open and see what we are working with. Let's see if we can rip this open here. You do not want to poke it with a knife, or you'll cut right into it. And let's see what we're working with here. Okay. I mean, they got these packed in here like sardines. I'm not going to lie about that. But you should be able to get into it pretty simply and see what it's like. These are the king-size pillows. Just like that, we have ourselves some king-size pillows. So, like I said, it takes 24 to 48 hours. This is their soft version. You got the tag on the side. Obviously not supposed to remove that. It's 49 centimeters by 90 centimeters, or 18 by 36. So if you are needing to get some new pillowcases, that is going to matter for you. So we're going to go ahead and put that there. And let's open up the other one. So we can drop on the other side for my wife to have her a new pillow. Okay. I ripped it the hard way. This was way easier. Should definitely pay attention to the directions next time. And should be able to rip this side open and get into it. Let some air into it, and bada boom, bada bang, we are good to go. Okay. So again, 2 pillows for king size Utopia. Got a lot of plastic. And now we got 2. And you guys want to see the moment of truth is how do they feel. So we're going to give it a little lay here. Don't need a hat, do we? Let's go ahead and see. Softness wise, definitely pretty soft. I got stuff all over my shirt in the plastic. So definitely a nice soft. I mean, these are plush. These are unbelievably plush, super soft pillows. So this is a great, in my opinion, like secondary, or if you're into a soft pillow, I think you're going to absolutely love these. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Not a very thick pillow. I know these will plump up as they start to get good over that time period, but I tell you what, very plush, super soft, super soft. Here's another one that we have. This is more of a, it's not a Utopia, but it's a different style pillow, right? One of these that is memory foam. This is got a different plush feel to it. So very nice, good size, standard king size pillow, very soft. I mean, what else are you going to say about it? I do like that it has a nice texture on the outside. This is not zippable, so it's one that you're not going to be able to take off and wash. Just keep that in mind. So you want to make sure you get a nice pillowcase and change that out often to keep it clean. But guys, Utopia Bedding did great with a proper pillowcase, so check it out.